What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much. If you didn't already notice or realize, I hit 10,000 subscribers last week. It seriously made my entire day. I put so much love and effort into my channel. I've been doing this for a few years now, minus the 6-month break I took last year. I truly love doing this and it means the world. Every single person who clicks subscribe, it just makes me so happy. So thank you guys so much for that. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Naked Cherry palette tutorial on this eye look that I've done today. And if you guys want to see my full review of the entire Naked Cherry collection, I also did another makeup tutorial on using that palette. So if you want to see that, I'm going to link that down below or put it up above in the cards. I also want to put a disclaimer that since this is just about the Naked Cherry, that is my dog's name. Naked Cherry. The Naked Cherry palette. This is about the Naked Cherry palette. Oh my gosh. This is about the Naked Cherry palette, so I'm just going to be focused on my eye makeup today. And if you want to see how I do my foundation for this video, I'm going to link that down below. It's seriously no different than a video I did a few weeks ago about my everyday fall foundation or makeup routine. And then I'm also going to link if I did anything different with like the blush or the lip color. All of that's going to be down below, so if you want to know what lip color I'm wearing or blush or highlighter or whatever, all of that's going to be put down below. I'm really excited about this video. I really like this eye look and I hope you guys do too. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the shade Feels, and I'm taking a Sigma E25 brush and I'm going to put that into my crease. I did prime my eyelids for this, but I didn't set it with anything just to see if the colors blend out any different. I want to go in with Devilish, and I'm going to use an E25 brush again, but I'm going to go a little tighter to my crease in my outer corner. Okay, now taking my Sigma E15 brush, I'm gonna go into Privacy, and I'm gonna tightly line the lower lash line with that. Okay, off camera, I'm gonna do my mascara, which is gonna be the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. And I'm also gonna add some lashes. These are the Eylure Jasmine Brown Francis So Pretty. These are my absolute favorite lashes right now. Something about the shape of them, they just really complement my eye shape, and I'm really loving them. So once those are on, we will continue. So I actually went ahead and just kind of like finished the rest of my makeup, but if you guys are curious as to like what lip products are on my lips or what blush that I used, I'm gonna put that all in the description box down below. But I really wanted this video to be solely focused on this palette, just to kind of give you another idea of what to do and not take up too much of your time of things that I've already done. Like I said in the beginning of the video, my foundation routine is no different than the one that I filmed a few weeks ago about my fall makeup routine. So I just didn't feel like it was necessary to put that into the video as it is. So everything will be linked down below, and any video that has anything to do with my foundation, whatever, it's gonna be linked down below. But this is the finished product for this look. I hope you enjoyed this. I actually really like this look. I don't know, I feel like this palette's so crazy. I feel like there's so many different things that I can do with it, and that's why I wanted to film a video today showing you guys some different things that you can do with this palette. So if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not already, to hit that subscribe button down below. It would make my day and make me so very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.